Everybody, welcome back to my channel. And it is a very cold and dreary day here in Virginia today, and I'm still trying to wake up. I'm still on my first cup of coffee, so I've got to get ready and get motivated today, so I thought I would take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do, pull up my sleeves a little bit, and I am going to be using my primer. So next I am going to be using this foundation. It is a Cushion by Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Natural Beige. I am almost done with this, so I'm just trying to use up what's left. Actually right now this is one of my favorite foundations that I have. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Beige. And next, I am going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and putting it on the Beauty Blender. And next, I'm going to go into the Tarteist Pro Glow. Oh my gosh, that palette is so filthy. And yeah, it's filthy, but I am going to be going into this color right here. And next, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller blush in the color Tropic Hues. And that is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Next, I'm going to take the Highlight Strobe, which is in that same palette we were earlier. And next, I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup. And this is a concealer pot. And this is the whole idea for making this video today. A friend of mine was asking me questions about why her eyeshadow does not stay on all the time. And I was telling her that she really needs to get some type of concealer pot or eye concealer. So I am going to do one eye with and one eye without, and so you guys can see the difference. So one eye on. So we're putting it only on one eye. Today I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm going to be taking the color Rift, which is right here. And putting it on. Now this is the eye that does have the concealer on it. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. And so I'm going to be around all day with one eye that looks better than the other. But I just want to make the point about how, you know, important this is. So this one I'm really having to darken up. I'm really getting it in that crease. Into the outer corner. And this one's really giving me more problems. And next I am going to be taking the color, the color Good Is Gone, which is right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Eyeshadow concealer, the difference between one eye to the other is this one is very tacky and sticky, and this one is not. So this one's able for you to get the eyeshadow really on there and pack it in very well, where this one's really going to give me more of a hard time doing it. But you can definitely see the color popping through. And then I'm just going to merge that a little bit into my crease. I'm going to do that on the other eye. See, it's not picking it up. The color is just not doing it. I'm going to have to really, really pack it. And pull that in my crease as well. And yes, it looks like a mess now, but it will get better, I promise. So I'm going to go back into that Rift color, the first color we used, and I am going to blend that into that one. And on the other eye. And next I am going to be taking the color Big Sky, which is here in the bottom. It's kind of like an aqua bluish color. And putting that on the inner lid. See, this one's having a little bit hard time with getting the color in there. And you'll notice too throughout the day that this eye will stay on pretty much all day, where this side the colors will start fading away because you don't have your concealer on there. I'm having a much more hard time of blending out this eye than I am this eye. You can see the difference right now. I'm going to go back into that Rift again and clean it up. See, and I have a lot of fallout too on this side of my face. Now I'm going to go into the color Breakaway, which is this very white, peachy color, and put it at my brow bone. And now I'm going to be working on smoking out the under of my eye. I'm going to take that blue and right on the edge, right there. And then I'm going to take that Good Is Gone, that brown color, and do the under. This part always makes my eyes water every single time. It sucks. See, I am not happy with this eye whatsoever. And next I'm just going to finish up the eyes, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. Here is my finished look. So I can already tell the difference that I really prefer this eye over this eye. This eye just feels more brighter and beautiful, and this one is just not the same texture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. The button is below, and I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to hit on your bell so you'll be notified when I have new videos.